How to remove the OEM screen. This is the center console of the 2011 to 2015 Mercedes-Benz ML GL. Use the pry to pry open the factory radio frame. Use the pry to pry open the air conditioning control panel. Use the screwdriver to loosen the two screws fixing the head unit. Pull out the head unit. Unplug the cable on the side of the head unit. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the screws fixing the air outlet. Use the pry to pry open the air outlet panel. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the screws fixing the OEM screen. Pull out the OEM screen and unplug all cables.